And I believe I heard someone say, free pizza?
Yes, I have accumulated the precise amount of coupons for one free Cosmic Crust pizza.
What? You never said it was Cosmic Crust pizza.
Proximity alert.
Ratchet, watch the road, please.
A free Cosmic Crust pizza is nothing to get excited about. The box has more flavor than the pizza.
Flavor is not my primary objective, Ratchet. I find enormous satisfaction in fulfilling system requirements to achieve output goals.
I do agree, too.
Yeah, but Cosmic Crust? I mean, it's only popular because their ads are everywhere. Okay, I think I'm done.
Well, he did sometimes when he has to do.
May we now resume our primary mission?
Secondary mission, Clank. Cardboard crust does not qualify as a primary mission. If it were up to me, we'd be going for a nice slice of tentacle!
Ah! Ow! I don't like this place! Ow!
Computing evasive options.
The only evasive option I need is Mr. Throttle!
Perhaps an alternate course of action.
I'm not done yet!
What was that? That almost gave me heart attack!
So, do we need to discuss the giant tentacle that just tried to yank us into oblivion?
Curious, it emerged from a short-term interdimensional portal.
Portal technology! Imagine what we could do with that!
Ratchet, I hope you're not...
Tracing the energy signature of that hypertech so I can nab it for myself? Great idea, Clank.
No, it is not. I have spent many solar cycles aggregating pizza coupons. It is very important.
Found it!
Huh? Oh dear. No, Ratchet. You promised.
Come on, Clank. This'll be fun.
For you, yes. Your activities always take precedence over mine.
Okay, not true. I mean, yeah, look, what about that time, well, okay, and you know, I mean, this is gonna be quick. We'll just fly in, take a quick look, see what...
The well-fortified, nigh-impervious base of galactic supervillain, Dr. Nefarious? Oh, dear.
Yeah, I wonder what he's up to this. He bet not do some weapons or some bad guys who's working with.